Hi friends, it's Michelle from Tape and Twine. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. To all my new subscribers, I appreciate you being here so much. And to those returning, I appreciate you even more because you guys are sticking with me. So I'm here today because through this wonderful junk journal community, I've made some online friends and have been chatting a little bit behind the scenes and found out that one of them, Sharon from Mad Paper Crush, her daughter goes to college only about an hour from where I live, and she was dropping her off at college this past Friday. So we met up for a little thrifting day and to sort of meet each other in real life, as they say, or as my kids would say, IRL. Anyway, it was a wonderful experience, and she gave me a gift which I'm about to open, and I just wanted to tell Sharon how much I enjoyed meeting her. This community is phenomenal. The support, you know, I've been in a lot of creative communities over the years, and sometimes there's a bit of a competitiveness and people who want to keep information to themselves and not share secrets or techniques, and I don't find that at all in our community. And I find just everybody's very supportive and generous, and I just really enjoyed my afternoon with her, and I hope we can do it again soon. So I'm going to unbox this beautiful present from her, and let's see what we got. Okay, so first I just want to talk about this box a little bit. It is from top to bottom just gorgeous, and it's, you know, got a mushroom, which is like, you know, one of my favorite things in the world. And she did this part with a jelly print. I don't know if you can see the textures, really, really nice. And look at this cute little detail there. That's so cute. Okay, I love it. I feel a little guilty because I don't think what I gave her is quite as creative as what she gave me. And look at this beautiful, beautiful tag. Oh, thank you, Sharon. What a lovely note. Do you see how pretty that is? Oh, that's really sweet. And look at the little words she found. You see that? Well, I'm thankful too, Sharon, because it was a wonderful, it's great meeting people that really get you and get this whole junk journal community. You know, it's like when you try to explain to people who don't understand junk journals what it's all about, it's very hard. So it was really great to be able to chat with someone who not only understands our passion for this, but kind of, you know, we talk the same language, which was a lot of fun. Oh my. Oh, look at all of this stuff. Okay, I'm going to turn it this way, and I can get it all in camera. Let me set it all up. Okay, so what do we have? Well, first of all, this is just adorable. And I recognize a lot of these things from Sharon's Instagram. So she does some beautiful digis. So she has this, she has a hummingbird digi kit, although I'm not sure that that's what this is from because this looks collaged. But I do remember her making this out of, this was one of her Instagram posts about making this, which is really interesting. This little seed packet or coin packet. Oh, nice. Oh, I love these. Oh, Sharon, thank you. London 2019. Oh my gosh, that is so thoughtful. How thoughtful is that? Oh my gosh, she stamped me some tags. Ooh. One says London 2019, which was our trip this summer. Let's see, she has treasure. And that one is blank, I think. Oh, these are so cool. Thank you so much, Sharon. What a thoughtful gift. Like I said, I think her gift is a lot more in depth than mine. I kind of threw something together, which I feel guilty about now, Sharon. Okay, so she gave me a cute little card. How cute is this? Lucky letter, M or W, I suppose. Nope, it's an M. Oh, that is so sweet. Lucky letter M. Chit Chat. This must be, I don't know this game, but this is pretty cool. Pretty awkward. That is me right there. And a card. Pretty awkward. Oh, very cool. I'm going to have to get the story behind these, Sharon. They're very cool. And this neat little handkerchief, which is very sweet. And a doily. We always can use these, can't we? Oh, and then napkins. Really nice. Oh, pretty. See these? And she gave me plenty. Oh, I love this. Look at that. I love that butterfly and that blue flower. And she gave me several. So I'm going to share the love. I think I'm going to share one of these with Angela across the pond since she's a butterfly lover, and I'm going to hoard the rest. Oh, how cool. What the heck are these? These are snow voile. I guess they're like, they're samples of a kind of very sheer cloth. I've never seen anything like them though. Maybe they're like for, like, obviously it's sheer fabric. I'm not sure where you found these, but that is so cool, Sharon. And these will make really interesting pages in a journal. Very neat. Oh, super cool. Look at that. Oh, that one's super neat. Oh, cool. And then I think this is called, is this a batik? That's neat. I keep saying neat. Sorry, I'm going to have to come up with some new words. Very, very, I love this. I love that look. Oh, I can't wait to use those. And then these look like they're silks or satins. And more of that. Oh, and yes, Sharon, I've seen you use this fabric before, and I thought it was so pretty when you used it. Thank you for sharing this. I am definitely going to use that. Oh, this is really neat. Stop with the neat, Michelle. Look at this fabric. Is this Tim Holtz fabric? Because it sort of looks like it. But, oh, I haven't seen any, but that is, I like this. That's really interesting. And it sort of has a carnival feel, which I'm going to be doing like a carnival journal, so that is definitely going to be used. Thank you. I'm going to save this. Look at how she's packaged everything. You know, if you don't know Sharon, she is Mad Paper Crush, and she on Instagram, and she has an Etsy shop, and she does really nice digital kits, which she puts a lot of work into, so you should check her out. I'll put her information below. Oh, these are all from Paris, these. Let's see. Oh, really neat. Oh, I'll look forward going through these one by one. Oh my gosh, wherever this is, I want to go. Who wants to join me? Pescatori, Island Pescatori. Oh my gosh, Milano. Maybe that's Milan, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Look at this one. Look at this card. That's cool. That's a great card. Oh, so is this. Wow. These are some terrific postcards. I'm going to use some, and I'm going to share some in a postcard swap, I think. These would be great for my postcard swaps. Thank you, Sharon. Oh, people will love getting these. and I'm going to enjoy using them. Okay, I'm going to put those there. Here's some more of that really interesting. Again, I'm going to have to ask Sharon what this is all about, because this is really different. It almost looks like it's for, it's flame retardant and polyester. I'm thinking it could be for like curtains maybe. They look almost like they're for curtain fabric, like sheer curtain fabric. I like this green though. That's terrific for layering. The Philistine, a periodical of protest. Good people are only half as good, and bad people are only half as bad as others regard them. Well, that is pretty interesting, and I would agree with that. Printed every little while for the Society of the Philistines and published by them monthly. Subscription $1 yearly. June 1900. Ah, look at that. These are terrific. Oh my. I am going to very much enjoy looking through this. Oh, it's from the American Academy of Immortals. Well, very cool. How fascinating this is. These are from a journal, and they have, I mean, the things you've included, Sharon, are so fascinating. Either this person is a civil engineer, or he's just really a different kind of journaler with elevations and you know, it says exactly what it's like out and what day it is. And he has all these little tiny, really neat little symbols. How interesting is that? Oh gosh, these are phenomenal. I love me some mushrooms. That is terrific. Terrific. Oh, Sharon, thank you. I'm gonna love using these in a journal. Has your husband ever said, my wife is the greatest cook in the world? Well, he will now that I will make a strawberry cream nouveau with a fluffy sponge cake. Excellent. Well, this is super funny and right up my alley. I love reading things like this. Thank you, Sharon. Oh, these are Greek flashcards. That is super interesting as well. Sharon, you put together probably one of the most interesting boxes of goodies I have ever received. I don't have anything like anything in this box. So that is pretty exciting. And these are, I'm assuming, Greek. Well, all math, all arithmetic is Greek to me, but I believe it's either Russian or Greek. Probably Russian. I think she's told me that she had a Russian book that she thinks is chemistry, and you could be right. Oh, and then pages from her new, she got a stamp book. Wow, those are very cool. And this, I believe, is German. November 1914. That's beautiful. That's really beautiful. Again, super, super interesting stuff, Sharon. I love it all. I can't wait to really pour through this and learn more about it. And then, if not all this wasn't enough, and can I say how embarrassed I am? Sharon, what I gave you was so small. It was just a little token, and you gave me this beautiful gift. Well, I'll get you back in happy mail. That's the thing about this community. They're always so much more generous than you expect them to be, which is always wonderful. And just, horrifying sometimes, especially when you're embarrassed by how little you've done compared to what you think they're going to do, and then whatever. Anyway, at least we always have a second chance, though. If somebody does more for us one time, then we can do more the next time. So I'll get you, Sharon. I got some good stuff coming in my estate sale, and I'm gonna give you a good package back. This is beautiful, beautiful job. I love this tag. Thank you. I love seeing other people's work, other people's collages. This is so nice. And she's made me a little notebook with coffee and tea stained paper. This paper is really nice. I don't know what this is from, but this is really nice vintage paper. And then beautiful collage. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's a postcard. You know, that's a great idea, just to you know, for a postcard maybe that you don't care for, just fixing it up on the back. I mean, putting something new on the front, and then you still have the postcard on the back. That's a great idea. Oops, she's upside down, sorry. I hope I'm on screen. Ooh, another lovely lady, and more butterflies. Really nice. Thank you so much, Sharon. Oh my gosh, and another tag on the back. These butterflies are beautiful. And beautiful layering and collaging. Oh. All right, Sharon, you outdid yourself. This was a beautiful gift. Between the papers and the flashcards and this little book. Hold on here. And all of this neat fabric and these cool samples and these napkins. Oh, look at all this. What can I say but awkward? Yeah, when Sharon posts her video, it's not going to be anything like this because I kind of didn't do all of this. Sharon, thank you so much. What can I say? It is beautiful, but more beautiful than this gift is spending time with you. And I encourage everyone out there, if you're making friendships outside of, you know, your regular liking and chatting, pursue those, because women need to support women of all ages, women of all different cultures and journeys, because we all have something that's valuable. And the more we support each other and the more friendships we have, the better we are, not just as people, but with our community. So, you know, it was wonderful spending time with Sharon. I hope I get to see her again soon. And I hope you all will take the leap and reach out to somebody that you are really feeling connected with and try to hook up with them as well. So thank you for taking a peek at this. I really appreciate it. I appreciate it so much, Sharon. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing, and I'll talk to you guys later.